Hello. So today we're going to be talking about how do you turn off notifications in your stream. So if you're like me and you do not like all these little notifications hanging around out here, you want your kids to actually go to classwork because you've got things organized underneath a topic, it is very simple to do. So once you're in your stream, you just go over here to your gearbox and you click on that. And you go down here and where it says classwork on the stream, show condensed notifications, I just say hide notifications. And then you just click the save button and bingo, just like that. After it gets done saving, your notifications when you hit refresh should all disappear except for this one right here, and I don't know why that one was in there. But they should all just disappear. All the rest of them disappeared off of mine. So that is how you get rid of classroom notifications in your stream so that your kids will have to go to classwork in order to see their assignments.